These little baby hairs are killing me. Just stay down. Hey, hi, hello, my name's Alexis, and today you're gonna get ready with me to go out. It was two of my coworkers' birthday the other day. They had the same birthday. So tonight we're all going out as like one big happy Sephora family to celebrate them. So I'm getting ready for that. We're gonna go out to eat, and then we're going to Dave & Buster's, so that'll be fun. It's also the day before I leave for vacation. So I'm pretty pumped, but I'm also very tired because I went out the other day for one of my friends' birthdays, for Jackie's birthday, and I'm still recovering. So there's that. So that was my Urban Decay Optical Illusion Primer. For foundation, I'm going to use my Fenty Beauty. I have this in the shade 210, and I love it. Still am loving it. This is also probably going to be like the most makeup I've worn. No, I've had a lot of makeup on the other night too. Just kidding. I was going to say the most makeup I've worn in a while because I haven't been doing a lot, but whatever. Just put makeup on. Make yourself pretty. I'm going to take my NARS concealer. My aunt's talking to the cat. Yeah, so we're going on, well, by the time you watch this, vacation's like long over, because, you know, you're watching this in like January, and you're probably like, Lex, why are you filming when you're supposed to be on hiatus? Listen, I can't help it. This hiatus has made me realize that I need to do YouTube. I love making videos, and I can't not. It's like I went on hiatus, I did like 2 or 3 days of like not doing any YouTube stuff, and then I started working on YouTube stuff again, so I can't do it. But I didn't post anything until when I did start posting again, just because I wanted to make sure that I was putting out good content and not just content because I wanted to. Does that make sense? Like content because I liked the content and not content because, well, I'm working on it, I might as well upload it. You know what I mean? So no. Anyways. Distracted myself. I was going to say something. Oh yeah, so it's the day before we go on vacation. Went on a cruise for 10 days to the Caribbean. I'm sure you've seen it all over my Instagram and whatever. I wasn't on my social media, or I'm not going to be. I gotta talk in like the past and the future at the same time. I'm not going to be on my social media while I'm on the trip, just because I just want to disconnect and like enjoy myself and not have to worry about like, oh, what's everybody else doing? Also, internet on a cruise is very expensive. just FYI. No, I don't want to pay for any of that. No. I'll just catch up when I get home. So, and when I get home, that's when I'll post all the pictures that by now y'all have seen. Is this confusing? Yes, I'm confused. I hope you're not confused, but I am. I'm going to set with my Laura Mercier powder. For my brows, I'm starting with the Diorshow Brow Styler. And I'm going to outline my brows with this. Can be a little extra with my brows today, and outline and fill in, because when I do that it gives my brows some more structure and they just like look better. But sometimes there's hair everywhere. Sometimes I just don't have the patience to do 2 separate steps. But I'm trying to look cute today, so 2 steps it is. Outlining my brow with this, extending the tail a little bit, and then I'm going to fill it all in with the Cabral from Benefit in the shade 3. So just fill her in between the lines. Who knew that when I was little learning to color in between the lines, that was really practice for filling in my eyebrows. Who would have thunk it? So I fill like all of my brow in first, and then I just take whatever's left and just kind of brush it through the front. I have so much brow, like, I don't even need to do those. But when you have like a full face of makeup on and like nothing in your brows, it's a little weird, so. Full brow it is. Ta-da! An eyebrow. Nice, strong, bold brow, but kind of fluffy. Because I like them fluffy. I don't like them stocky. I don't like them when it's just like, here's my eyebrow. Like, I want it to be like, oh wow, that girl's got friggin' good eyebrows. And not, oh wow, that girl really filled in her eyebrows. You know what I mean? You know? Okay, brows on. This is like my struggle brow. And because the shape of it, this one is a little bit like straighter than this one is. This one has a teeny bit more of an arch than this one does. And then this one also, I had my brow pierced at one point. So then it's like I have to go through like the scarring from my brow piercing. So it makes like this, I feel like you can see it, like bumpy. It's my own fault. It's my own fault for getting the piercing. It's okay, I thought it was cute, so. Oh well. Anyways, priming my eyes with my NARS Pro Prime. Ah! I just pulled all of the bristles just came out of my brush. Oh my god. Okay, well, there's that just happened. Oh no. Okay, just throw it away. He's dead. Oops, rest in peace. Oh, jeez. Okay, so I'm going to use the Prism palette from Anastasia. I took Unity and just set my whole eye area. I kind of have an idea of what I want to do, but I don't know. So we're just gonna go and see what happens. So first I'm gonna take Lure. Why do I feel like I'm saying that funny? Lure. Don't keep saying it because you're gonna make it worse. Okay, I'm just gonna use this as my transition color. Just throwing it in there. Nothing too fancy. Next I'm going to take Parallel and use that to deepen up the crease and also put that in the outer corner. So I'm taking this right into my crease. Right here on the outer, like the outer third. Not really the corner, but like the third. And then giving it a good blend. Next, I'm going to take Obsidian, which is the black, just a little bit of it. Putting it on the very outer part here. Don't want it too intense. Just like a teeny bit in the crease here. And blend it. So you get a little bit more depth, but it's not like black, because I don't want that. For the lid, I'm gonna take Dimension because it looks fun and I want to. And I've already used the neutrals on my lid before, and I don't want to do that today, so I'm gonna use Dimension. The shade would probably be really pretty and like a halo eye also. But I don't have the patience to do that today. So I'm pushing that all over the lid. Wow, that's so pretty. These like glittery shades in here look like they're gonna be chunky, but they're not, and I like that. And of all the ones I've used so far, I haven't needed to wet any of them to really like get that color intensity. It has like a tiny bit of a shift, not like a huge shift, like a baby shift. You need to get close to the lash line. If you need to get closer to your lash line, flip your brush upside down and go in from the top. There we go. That way you can get like right up on the lash line without like coating your lashes in eyeshadow. That's so pretty. I'm like dying to use this sphere shade, but I have no idea what to do with it. That's not going to make it look like I just have an eye infection, so maybe another time we'll have to play with that, because I need to actually like look cute today. They'll clock me if I don't look cute. It's all my Sephora girls. So I think I'm just going to put Parallel on the lower lash line. All the way across. And blend. Then I'm taking Lucid, whoop, that one, to highlight my brow bone and the inner corner. So, there. And there. A little bit more there. A little bit more here. There. Okay, so eyeshadow's done. I'm just going to do all this next stuff off camera. I'm going to tightline my, no. I'm going to put black liner in my tight line and my waterline, curl my lashes, and apply mascara. I thought about doing falsies, but I don't have the patience for that today. But if I was going to do falsies, I was going to do the mink lashes from Sephora Collection. So if you were doing this for whatever reason, that's the lash I would have done. But anyways, let me come back to you. So here are the eyes done. I'm enjoying them. I like how this turned out. I feel like it's not picking up so much on camera, but there's like a hint of like a lavender in that Dimension shade, like just a hint. And I don't know if it's because that Lure shade that I use to transition like cooled everything down, and that Lure shade is kind of purple, so I don't know if that's what it's picking up on, but I really like it. Also makes my eyes look really brown. So let's finish off the face. I'm of course going to contour with my Kevyn Aqua sculpting powder, because what else do I ever use? I'm a creature of habit, okay? I'm sorry. I'm sorry. And I'm gonna bronze. Do I even need to tell you? If you've been here literally any length of time, you know what my favorite bronzer is. And I'm sorry. If you're new here, hi, it's Chocolate Soleil from Too Faced. For blush and highlight, I'm going to use this mini duo from Makeup Forever. It doesn't say on here what shades these are. I want to say the blush is like 214 or something like that, and I'm not sure what the highlight is, because it doesn't say it on here, but that's what I'm using. So putting on some blush, and then the highlight on the cheekbone, up and around the brow. I don't know how I feel about this highlight. I feel like it swatches better than it applies. Like, it's pretty, but when I swatch it, I just feel like I get a lot more out of it than when I actually have it on. Okay. I don't know what to do for my lip. Let me get back to you. Okay, I'm going to try this one even though I'm not sure about it. This is from Hourglass. This is one of the girl lip stylos in Peacemaker. I'm running out of light. Yeah, that's fine. That's totally fine. Okay. Whoops. I just tried to put the lid on upside down. I'm dumb. Okay, so here is the finished look. Kind of smoky, not too smoky. The lip is kind of like a nothing color, which I like. I'm really feeling this look. And I'm really liking this Prism palette. So that's that. I'm not going to zoom out for the intro because I'm losing light and there's no reason to waste any more time. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. All the links to all my social media will be down in the descriptions. Check me out there. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys again soon. Bye!